Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm gonna teach you Airwalk, which is slick back, both of them. And this is my second video of Airwalk. This tutorial is better than my other tutorial video of Airwalk. In this video I have shown very simple steps. If you practice following them, then you can learn very early and easy. So let's learn with step 1. You need this kind of things for doing this.
And I used 2 chairs for this. You can use something other than this if you want. It's not required, but if you use them, you can learn easily. The first step is pretty much simple. Everyone can do this step. This is how I need to practice for the first step. And you need to learn this step very comfortably. Make sure that you can do it perfectly. If you can do this step, the next step will be more easier for you. So keep practicing. It's also first step, but try this way. Airwalk has many steps, but step 1 is the main one. You need to learn it completely. You have to practice it by holding something next to you, which will be easier for you. Make sure that your legs are stuck in the air in the same place. Then try it with your right foot. Then try to jump with the left foot in this way, with the right foot floating in the air. Then keep the right leg floating in the air and jump with the left leg and land 1 foot in front. And do the same practice with the left leg too. Try to make it perfectly. And if you can go to step 2.
So guys, hope you enjoy. Please like, subscribe and share with your friends to learn out. So bye bye, tata. Please subscribe to my channel.